Hello my dear students. Today in this video I am going to explain you the exercise of our chapter 2 nutrition in animals. Okay. Today I am going to cover the objective portion of the exercise. Next time we will go through the subjective portion. Okay. So here I will start. The first one is filling the blanks. Okay. First filling the blank is the main steps of digestion in human are 4 dash and dash. Okay, so over here you have to write the processes. Okay, which processes? The digestive system's 5 processes. Okay, to take in food means ingestion. Okay, to convert the complex form into the simpler one, digestion. Okay, absorb the important nutrients, absorption. Okay, utilize the absorbed nutrients means assimilation, and the undigested food which removes out, that is nothing but the egestion. So here is the solution: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Okay, now second one is the largest gland in human body. Okay, here I will give you a hint. Okay, this is the gland which will going to secrete the bile juice. Okay, yeah, this is nothing but the liver. Liver is the largest gland in our human body. Okay, third one, the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juice which act on food. As you know, the stomach secretes total 3 juices. Out of them, the first one is hydrochloric acid which will kill the bacteria. Okay, mucus will going to protect the stomach lining. Now just one juice is there which will going to digest, or should I say convert the protein into the simpler one. Yeah, that is nothing but the digestive juice. Okay, now next one is the inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called dash. Okay, these finger-like outgrowths consist of a network of tiny blood vessels which will going to transport the absorbed nutrients to rest of all body cells. Okay, it is nothing but the villi. Okay, now next one is amoeba digests its food in the dash. Okay, now amoeba is having special structure. Okay, inside it the digestive juice are secreting which will going to digest the food. Okay, that structure is nothing but the food vacuole. Okay, here our filling the blanks finishes. Okay, now we will going to start true or false. Okay, here is the first statement that digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Is it correct or not? Yeah, definitely it is false. Why so? Because as we know, as we chew the food and the saliva is mixed with the food, at that time the continuous chewing process is going to secrete the saliva, and this saliva is going to convert the complex form of carbohydrate into simpler sugar form. Okay, so digestion of starch, or should I say digestion of carbohydrate, happen inside the mouth, or should I say buccal cavity. So answer is false. Next one is the tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Okay, your tongue, what is the function of your tongue inside the buccal cavity? It will help to move the food from one place to the another. Okay, one side to the another side. Okay, also able to taste it, and yes, it will help in mixing the food with saliva. Okay, so answer is true. Next one is the gallbladder temporarily store the bile juice. Okay, which gland will going to secrete bile juice? That is nothing but the liver. Okay, and who will going to store temporarily? That is nothing but the gallbladder. So answer is correct. Next one is the ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Okay, this is nothing but the ruminants definition, I can say. Okay, that ruminants are continuously chewing the cud. Cud means partially digested food. Okay, so the ruminants bring back the swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Yeah, completely it is correct. Okay, so answer is true. Now next is choose the correct answer. Okay, here comes the question. fat is completely digested in the option A, stomach, option B, mouth, option C, small intestine, option D, large intestine. Okay, so out of this, which should be the answer? Inside the stomach, protein is digesting with the help of digestive juice. In the mouth, starch is converted into the simpler sugar form. Large intestine will going to absorb the water and salt. Now, which organ is remain? That is nothing but the small intestine. Inside the small intestine, almost all nutrients are going to convert from the complex into the simpler. Matlab, all kind of digestion process completes in small intestine. Okay, so answer is nothing but the small intestine. Okay, next is match the following. Okay, here comes the table. Okay, column A is food components and column B is the simpler form of that food components. Okay, so three are there: carbohydrate, protein and fats. Okay, carbohydrates simpler form is nothing but the sugar like glucose or fructose. Next one is protein. Okay, protein simpler form is nothing but the amino acid. Last one is fat, fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, to remind the fats simpler form is very easy. Fats, fatty acid. Yes or no? Okay, so like this way you can able to remind it. Now, next one is the question. It is written, which part of the digestive canal is involved in? The first one, absorption of food, means absorption of food is happen in which organ or in which the digestive canal portion? Okay, yes, absolutely right, that is small intestine. Okay, inside the small intestine the digestion completes. Okay, second one is chewing of food. This is very simple, buccal cavity. The third one is killing of bacteria. One juice is there named as hydrochloric acid, which will going to kill the bacteria. Now this hydrochloric acid is involved in stomach. Exactly. Fourth one, complete digestion of food. Just now I spoke, that is nothing but the small intestine. Okay. Last two is formation of feces. Okay, means undigested food which is going to form in which part of the digestive canal? It is nothing but the large intestine. How? Because almost all digestion process is completed up to the small intestine. In the large intestine, the water and salt is absorbing. Now that is nothing but the undigested food. So I can say that the undigested food, or should I say formation of feces, is happen in the large intestine. Okay. Next, again the match the following is there. Here comes the table. It is written salivary gland, second stomach, third liver, fourth rectum, fifth small intestine and large intestine. Let's find out. The first one is salivary gland. Okay, so this one is also a bit easy. Salivary gland, saliva secretion. Okay, so for the first answer is salivary gland, saliva secretion. Okay, stomach consists of three juices, you know very well. Okay, one is hydrochloric acid. So over here I can find the D option, acid release. Okay, so it is correct for the stomach. Third one is liver. For liver, let's see. Bile, juice secretion, storage of undigestion, saliva secretion completed, acid release completed, absorption of water, no, release of feces, no, digestion is completed, no. So answer should be bile juice secretion. Next one is rectum. Bile juice completed, storage of undigested, no, salivary secretion, no, acid release, absorption, release of feces, digestion is completed, no. So answer should be storage of undigested. Temporarily rectum is going to store the undigested food. Okay. Next one is small intestine. So as we understood, digestion is completed over here, and large intestine, two options you have, that is absorption of water and release of feces. What should be there? Yeah, exactly. Answer is absorption of water. So here completes our match the following. Now last question is there of objective, that is label the digestive system. Here comes the digestive system with numbers. It is given 1, 2, 3 likewise. Okay. So let's start with the first one. Okay. First one indicates towards our mouth. Okay. So that is nothing but the buccal cavity. Okay. Second one is a pipe like structure which transport the food from mouth to stomach. Exactly, nothing but the esophagus, or you can write food pipe. Okay. Number 3. Okay, the esophagus will transport the food to, yeah, exactly, stomach. Okay, so third one is stomach. Okay. Fourth one, from the stomach the food transport to the small intestine where the food is completely digested. Okay. From the small intestine, fifth one, nothing but the large intestine. Okay. Then sixth is anus. Through the anus the food, undigested food, is removed from the body. Okay. 7, rectum. Rectum is going to temporarily store the undigested food, or should I say waste. Number 8. Okay. Over here ball like structure is there. Okay, that is nothing but the gallbladder. Okay, which will going to store the bile juice temporarily. And last 9 one is there in the diagram. By mistake it is not printed, but actually this one is considered as a liver. Okay. So here completes our objective portion of the exercise. Okay. Next time I will come with the subjective portion. Till then, stay happy, keep smiling. Okay. See ya. Bye.